Imagine stepping outside your back door and into your very own private paradise. In 2025, backyards aren't just an afterthought. They're becoming personalized sanctuaries where comfort, style, and technology meet. Homeowners are reimagining their outdoor spaces as true extensions of their homes, creating areas that invite relaxation, entertainment, and connection to nature like never before. The allure of outdoor living spaces has never been stronger. Traditional patios and decks are evolving into full-blown retreats that reflect individual tastes and lifestyles. Whether it's a cozy corner for quiet evenings or a vibrant space for social gatherings, today's backyards are designed to feel just as curated and welcoming as any indoor room. One major trend leading this transformation is the move toward modern, eco-conscious materials. Sustainability is no longer an option, it's a priority. Durable and eco-friendly choices like bamboo flooring, recycled plastic decking, and reclaimed wood structures are becoming staples of backyard design. These materials are not only resilient against the elements, but also help homeowners reduce their environmental footprint. Another major influence is the rise of biophilic design. By integrating natural elements like water features, lush greenery, and even living walls, outdoor spaces now foster a deeper connection with nature. Gentle ponds, vertical gardens, and native plant landscaping create environments that soothe the mind and refresh the spirit. As the sun goes down, energy-efficient lighting solutions transform the atmosphere. Solar-powered lights, smart LED systems, and softly glowing path markers not only reduce energy costs, but also create a warm, inviting ambiance. Thoughtful lighting design turns a simple backyard into a magical nighttime escape, perfect for unwinding or hosting friends under the stars. And this is just the beginning. Next, we explore the luxury features, tech innovations, and personal touches that are redefining backyard living in 2025. Luxury features are taking center stage in backyard design for 2025. Outdoor kitchens are no longer just basic grills tucked in a corner. They are fully equipped culinary spaces with state-of-the-art appliances, pizza ovens, built-in fridges, and elegant dining areas. These kitchens are designed to make outdoor entertaining effortless and stylish, blurring the line between indoor comfort and outdoor freedom. Fire features are also evolving. Traditional fire pits are getting a major upgrade with customizable fireplaces that serve as stunning focal points. Whether it's a sleek modern fire table or a rustic stone hearth, these features provide warmth, ambiance, and a gathering place that naturally draws people together, especially on cool evenings. Technology is weaving itself seamlessly into these outdoor paradises. Smart home integration now extends outside, allowing homeowners to control lighting, irrigation, and even security systems right from their smartphones. Energy-efficient systems ensure sustainability while creating convenience at every touchpoint. Outdoor entertainment is also getting an impressive boost with weatherproof projectors, immersive sound systems, and even interactive digital screens perfect for movie nights, gaming, or streaming music under the stars. But perhaps the most important trend for 2025 is the emphasis on personalization. Homeowners are moving beyond cookie-cutter designs, incorporating unique elements that reflect their passions and lifestyles. Whether it's a reading nook shaded by climbing vines, a meditation garden with a trickling fountain, or a backyard yoga studio, these spaces are becoming true reflections of the people who use them. Ultimately, the backyard oasis of 2025 is all about balance, blending luxury with nature, comfort with sustainability, and technology with timeless beauty. With the right vision and thoughtful choices, anyone can transform their outdoor space into a personal paradise they'll never want to leave. Ready to create your dream backyard? Start planning today, because in 2025, paradise isn't a destination. It's right outside your door.